At Olight, we have one simple goal: to put the power of light in as many hands as possible. We make the best tools and personal lighting in the most convenient forms. Our products push the limits on durability and technology to empower our users to do more, even in the dark. We spent nearly a decade developing the best lighting technology, from brightness to size and weight, but more importantly, how we can improve lives with light. We continue to deliver cutting-edge products that remain accessible to anyone and everyone. We're a team of designers and engineers with a passion for quality and pushing the limits. Lighting experts bent on providing the best power and functionality for our customers. We make products that help our customers do what they do best, whether that's public safety work or exploring the great outdoors. Our gear is made to handle the most demanding of situations, but simple and effective for everyday use. We push the power of light to ensure safety, pique wonder, and incite exploration. We're staying on the cutting edge and have been consistently improving our product lines to better serve our customers from day one. Get the power of light in your hands from Olight.